Hi everybody! The mobile construction site bridge used in Switzerland is an incredible project. When technology and engineers' skills come together, something great comes out. So much so that this bridge allows work to be done without interrupting traffic flow. ASTRA Bridge is a mobile construction site bridge used during highway maintenance work. While road works are being carried out below, traffic can flow over the bridge in 2 lanes at a speed of 60 km/h. This allows work to be carried out during daylight hours without the need to close any lanes or divert traffic. The most important feature of this bridge is that it is wheeled and portable. The bridge can be transported and installed by trucks. In this way, it can be easily moved between different construction sites. Another important feature is its rapid installation. The bridge can be installed and ready for use overnight. This minimizes traffic disruptions. The bridge is designed by engineers using computer-aided design software. The main frame of the bridge is made of steel. The bridge platform can be made of aluminum or steel. The cut pieces are joined by welders. All parts and connection points of the bridge are meticulously checked and necessary tests are performed. The installation process varies depending on the size of the bridge and the ground conditions. On average, a bridge takes between 12 and 18 hours to install. The bridge parts are placed and connected using cranes. The bridge platform and railings are assembled. The installation of the bridge is carried out by experienced and qualified personnel. The length and height of the bridge are determined according to the existing road conditions. Once the bridge is built, it is rigorously tested and confirmed to meet all safety standards before it is ready for use. Then the equipment and materials required for asphalt work are carried under the bridge. The existing asphalt layer is removed by milling. ASTRA Bridge is an innovative solution for the maintenance and repair of road infrastructure without interrupting traffic flow. It saves time and money, providing a safer and more efficient working environment. Appropriate equipment and techniques are used for asphalt paving and compaction. The cost of an ASTRA bridge varies depending on the size of the bridge, the installation time, and other factors. On average, the rental cost of an ASTRA bridge is between 10,000 and 20,000 euros per day. The bridge is designed to strict safety standards. It can carry heavy vehicles, including 60-ton trucks. Thanks to the ASTRA Bridge, road repair and maintenance work can be carried out during daylight hours without interrupting traffic flow. Environmental impact is reduced because work is completed in a shorter time and there is less traffic congestion.